The goal for this item is that your child pours water or food into their pet's dish. In order to pass this one, the adult can provide, the dish and the food, and kind of verbal direct instruction, but we want the child to actually do the skill on their own. So if they're having trouble with this, you want to probably get something that's easy for them to scoop with. And I would start with the food first, especially if it's dry food, because it makes less of a mess. All you have to do is pick up pieces of food as opposed to wiping up water. So having them scoop the food and fill it up to the top, be very clear with your instructions on how to do it, and then pour it into the dish. This is something you can teach your child to do and then expect them to do each day. With chores, the more routine it is, the better that they get at it. It's very good for them to have chores because your child will feel more a sense of confidence and accomplishment when they get it done. And also, it's something where you can say, oh, if you do this, then we can do that. And so it's another way to positively reinforce them. And so then after they've got the food part down, what I would suggest is giving them some practice with pouring or filling up the bowl with water over the sink first. And then eventually have them fill a container and bring it out and pour it into the bowl. So that they practice a bit first. So put the dog bowl, let's say it's a dog, into the sink and give them the container, let them fill up the container with water and pour it in. And then eventually you'll be able to have it sitting on the floor, the bowl will be on the floor, and they can take the container and pour the water in. It's about being able to grade and understand how heavy things are and how much to fill it up to. Another thought would be if they're having a hard time, you want to maybe draw a line with a Sharpie marker in the bowl so that they know exactly how high to fill it, because some kiddos have a hard time knowing when to stop. They can't figure that out. So put the line kind of down low and know that they're going to go over the line. So don't put the line too close to the top or you'll have a big flood in your pet area.